Walking on the Sandal volcano, like a journey through time. In the heart of the Aegean region, in the Kula district of Manisa, there's a hidden natural wonder in Sandal village, an ancient volcano, millions of years old. But this isn't just any volcano. It's a journey where every step connects you with the past. As you begin to walk, the landscape changes quickly. It feels as if you're not in Turkey anymore, but on another planet. Black lava rocks, red earth, and wind-carved volcanic formations surround you. With each step, you pass through a different geological era. The path gently leads you toward the top of the volcano. It's not a difficult climb, but it's incredibly striking. The silence around you is full of sound, birdsong, the whisper of wind brushing against the rocks, and the subtle music of nature itself. Once you reach the summit, that moment is unforgettable. Before your eyes lies a breathtaking panorama. The unique lava fields of Kula, ancient volcanic cones stretching into the distance, and the rolling Aegean hills meeting the sky. If you arrive at sunset, the sky comes alive. Red, orange, and violet merge in a spectacular display, casting magic over the land. This walk is not just a nature hike, it's a meeting with time itself. To walk on a volcano that last erupted 10,000 years ago is both humbling and uplifting. Walking on the Sandal volcano is more than a trail through nature. It's where time beneath your feet, beauty before your eyes, and silence within your soul meet. If you ever find yourself in Kula, don't miss this experience.